How to turn off location sharing on Instagram. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Instagram for accessing or sharing your location on iPhone or Android to protect your privacy. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So if you're concerned that Instagram might be accessing your location, you're not the only one. But the good news is you can easily turn off location tracking and take back some control over your privacy. So first of all, you gotta log into your Instagram account and you gotta click on your profile at the bottom right. And here you gotta click on these three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen, and you'll be redirected to settings and activity. So you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of device permissions under your app and media. So click on device permissions, and here you'll be able to see your preferences within device permissions. You gotta search for the option of location services. You can see it's allowed right now. So you're gonna click on it. And once you do so, it would say your device settings. You allow location access, and we may receive information about your precise location through things like your GPS location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connections. So you're gonna click on update device settings and click on open device settings. You'll be redirected to the Instagram settings. Here, you're gonna search for location. Right now, the preference is while using the application that whenever I'm using Instagram, my location will be shared. However, if you don't want your Instagram to get your location, you gotta click on never. And once you do so, that's it. You have now disabled Instagram's access to your device GPS and location service. So this quick change gives you more control over your data and who sees what, even if it doesn't completely hide your location. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.